Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term base stock inventory model. It's one inventory management technique. Due to uncertainty and diversity of customer demand, manufacturers have switched from traditional build to forecast or build to stock strategies to build to order or make to order strategies. Taking the laptop computer assembly as an example, when a laptop computer company receives orders from internet, it will pass these orders to assemblers and ask them to have the product shipped immediately. The laptop computers are stored in the warehouse after the testing step. In order to achieve 100% service level, assemblers can prepare a lot of finished laptop computers in the warehouse. However, it is not cost efficient and is also unrealistic. Instead of preparing a lot of finished computers, it is still possible to adopt a build to order strategy if you want to assemble a new computer with plenty of time ahead. The assembler initially prepares some finished laptop computer in the warehouse called base stock and starts to assemble other new top laptop when the new order is received. This new one will be used to fulfill the potential order that is expected to arrive later. Another example can be seen in fast food restaurant. Customer coming to the restaurant order their food and want to have it immediately. Fulfilling orders immediately can be done by preparing lot of cooked food in the food rack. However, some of it may remain in the rack too long to sustain its original quality. Therefore, only a certain number of newly cooked food will be prepared in the rack and the new ones will be made even when the order is received. To emphasize the immediate need for products in modeling, we can regard the customers in the above system as no wait customer that will be lost if they cannot be satisfied immediately. Thanks for watching. Bye.